डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलामु अलैकुम। मैं आपका प्रोफेसर नवीद आसिम। आज से हम फ़िज़िक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 4 स्टार्ट करेंगे। चैप्टर नंबर 4 इज़ वर्क एंड एनर्जी। फर्स्ट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन हम आज इसमें करेंगे, जो कि है वर्क डन बाय ए कांस्टेंट फोर्स। वर्क डन बाय ए कांस्टेंट फोर्स। सबसे पहले हम इसकी डेफिनेशन करेंगे। डेफिनेशन डेफिनेशन क्या होगी? द डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ the dot product of force and displacement covered by a body is called work. Mathematically, W is equal to F dot D. F force and D displacement. बेटा जब हम डॉट प्रोडक्ट को ओपन करेंगे, F मैग्नीट्यूड, displacement magnitude and cos theta. So our simplified formula is W is equal to FD cos theta. So students, in terms of diagram, suppose you have a body और ये बॉडी किसी स्मूथ सरफेस के ऊपर मौजूद है. This is known as smooth surface. When a force acts on a body at a certain angle, when a force acts on a body at a certain angle, body displaces from its original position and it comes to its final position. It covers a displacement represented by D. So body starts from position A and ends at position B. An angle between force and displacement is represented by theta. So this is the definition, formula, unit. The unit of work done is Newton meter. The unit of force is Newton and unit of displacement is meter, also known as joule, represented by capital letter J. Joule is the name of a scientist. So the unit of work done is joule. So dear students, now we take certain cases of work done. Case number 1, when theta is equal to 0 degree. So the formula of work done is W is equal to FD cos theta. W is equal to FD cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree is equal to 1. So work done is equal to FD. Hence maximum work is done. Result, maximum work is done. Maximum work is done when angle between force and displacement is equal to 0 degree. So this is case number 1. Now dear students, case number 2, which is when theta is equal to 90 degree. So putting the values, W is equal to FD cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So work done is equal to 0. This result, No work is done. No work is done when angle between force and displacement is theta is equal to 90 degree. So its example, when you take a bucket from one room to other room, displacement is along the horizontal, force is acting upward, so theta in between is 90 degree. So no work is done, because in physics cos 90 degree is equal to 0, hence work done is equal to 0. And as far as case number 1 is concerned, when you take a body horizontally, force is acting along the horizontal, displacement is also horizontal, so maximum work is done when theta is equal to 0 degree, and no or 0 work is done when theta is equal to 90 degree. So move forward to case number 3. Case number 3, when theta is equal to 180 degree. When theta is equal to 180 degree, the formula of work done is W is equal to FD cos 180 degree. Cos 180 degree in geometry is -1. So by simplifying, minus FD. Dear students, work done is minus FD. Minus FD is the maximum work done. Hence, the result, negative work is done. Negative work is done when theta is exactly equal to 180 degree. So these are the three cases. And in terms of example, you have a match box. आपके पास एक मैच बॉक्स होता है, मैच बॉक्स पे हम स्टिक के साथ इसको स्लाइड करते हैं, एंगल इज ग्रेटर देन 90 डिग्री. Whenever an angle is greater than 90 degree, suppose 180 degree, then work done is always negative. So in terms of graphical representation, y-axis along the horizontal x-axis, x-axis पर हम डिस्टेंस या डिस्प्लेसमेंट को लेते हैं, जबकि वाई एक्सिस पर हम फोर्स को ड्रॉ करते हैं. व्हेन एवर ए फोर्स इज कांस्टेंट, फोर्स कांस्टेंट होगी, डिस्प्लेसमेंट अकर्स एंड यू गेट ए rectangular shape. Now work done is equal to, work done can also be measured or calculated, which is equal to area under force and displacement graph. Now area of a rectangle, as you can see, आप देख सकते हैं कि इसका एरिया क्या होगा, F multiply by D, which is equal to FD. The shaded portion, the area of the shaded portion is exactly equal to the work done. Work done is equal to area under FD curve, force F, displacement D. When you multiply, you get a work done. So this is the formula for a maximum work done. Now dear students, characteristics. First characteristic, if theta is less than 90 degree, if theta is less than 90 degree, then work done is positive. Then work done is positive. Now dear students, if theta is exactly equal to 90 degree, work done is equal to 0. Third characteristic, if theta is greater than 90 degree, then work done is negative. Number 4, the unit of work done is Newton meter or joule. Lastly, work done is a scalar quantity. Work done is a scalar quantity because it is the dot product of two vectors. अगर हम पीछे देखें, force is a vector quantity, displacement is a vector quantity. Their dot product must be a scalar quantity. Hence, work done is a scalar quantity. In the last, आखिर में हम ये देखते हैं कि यूनिट क्या होंगे. Define joule. 1 joule. Define 1 joule. ये मैं आपको ज़ुबानी बताता हूँ, आप इसको खुद लिखेंगे. If a force of 1 Newton acts on a body, इस फार्मूले से आप फाइंड कर सकते हैं. If a force of 1 Newton acts on a body and a body covers a displacement of 1 meter in the direction of force, then its work done will be 1 joule. So dear students, 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton force multiplied by displacement of 1 meter. So that's all for today, dear students. उम्मीद है कि आपने ये चैप्टर 4 का फर्स्ट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरह समझा होगा. आप इसको याद करें और लिख के देखें. इंशाअल्लाह ताला हम नेक्स्ट डे सेकंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन को डील करेंगे. अल्लाह हाफिज़.